I run my passive income. I run more and your passive income to pay for my respective lifestyle. I set up watchlist and systems to work instead of me. I get paid based on the value I pursue without my love labor. I love making money when I sleep, play, or am vaccine. Then less I work, then more I run. Excellent passive income opportunities allow them my way. I abundance of all the free time and money I have. I am financially free. I work because I try to not because I have to. I never have to work again. Winning the mind game. I create my life. I create the exact amount of my financial success. I play the money game to win. My intention is to create wealth and abundance, and I and more I rich and successful people. I believe money is important. Money is freedom and makes life more enjoy. I get rich doing what I love. I said to rich because I add value to other people's life. I am generous of giver and an excellent receiver. I am grateful for all the money I have now. Lucrative opportunities allow them my way. My capacity to run hard and grow money acceptance day by day. Winning the money game. I am an excellent money manager. I always blame myself first. I put money into my excellent money work. My money work hard for me and makes me more and more money. I run good passive income to pay for my lifestyle. I am financially free. I work because I choose to not because I have to. My part-time business is managing, managing and investing my money and creating passive income streams. Secret of the my my inner world create my other world. I also my target and entertain only tools that empower me. I realize my non-support money experience form the path and create the new and rich future. I create the exit of my financial success. My goal is to God a million and more. I think with I choice to help to stand the to stand of people. I promote my value to others with passion and I am an excellent receiver. I am open and willing to receive massive amounts of money into my life. I am community of prosperity, learn and grow. I love myself and I am perfectly healthy. I breathe deeply, exercise regularly and feed only good nourishing food to my body. Every day, in every way, I am healthy and stronger. I last feel good. As a result, my body feels good and I get a good feeling. I am perfect health. I honor my body by talking the signal that is standing. I enjoy the food that are good for my body. I love every call of my body. I am surrounded by people who energy my to be healthy. I manifest perfect health by making smart choice. I look forward to a healthy old age because I take living care of my body now. I am grateful for healthy body. Follow my body, mind and flow. I am grateful to be alive. It is my joy and bliss to live another one wonderful day. The $1 million mindset.
पढ़ा बाकी वाला पढ़ा, आगे वाला पेज ओपन करा, एकरे आगे वाला
The $1 million.
हाँ एकरे आगे का हवा
My personal growth.
गोल। तो हाँ गोल अपन कैसे बनाओ वो कब पूरा लिखे एक बाटे बताओ बाद में हो। ओकरे बाद आगे ओपन करा।
Learning place safety by when you will complete it.
ये 3 थे तो हैं गोल सेट करेंगे अपने लाइफ पे, ठीक हो।
Learning completed, step completed.
हाँ
90
Achieve.
income goal by day.
90 दिन में कितना पैसा कमाएगा बा ओकरे बारे में बताओ। तो आगे लिखा ये का हुआ है TWCGO बराबर ना, टैक्स वेल्थ चैरिटी जनरल एंड ऑपरेशन, जो के बारे में तो हमें बताए रहे ना। आगे ओपन करा।
टैक्स 35 GST इनकम
टैक्स में का आए, वेल्थ में का आए, जनरल में का आए, वेल्थ में का आए, सब आए भी ना उमन। हाँ अभी नेक्स्ट ओपन करा।
$1 million per month.
एक जोर से पढ़ा एकदम।
$1 million per month sporting goal. I everything. $11 million per month on total auto call. Doing what I love, helping millions of people live a happy lifestyle. $1 million per month, lot of
और एक का छोड़ देगा आगे एक आगे। हाँ
after week of a percenter. Have a clear vision of the future you want to create. Never complain about anything you can change or not planning to change. Learn something new today that will take you closer to your goal tomorrow. Break a sweat every day. Target physical choice with motivation is created by millions. This unlock great ideas, creating and genius. You even that which you want to get more of. Don't be keep on your journey to greatness. Of center. Simply everything. Don't accept for God's channel a excellent in everything you do. Don't be witty. Be everything excellent and productive. Take responsibility for everything. Be in central and make things happy. Lead by example. Never ask accept anyone to do anything you are not willing to do yourself. I am destined for real success in my responsibility. I can anything I put my mind to.
खत्म।